What's the meaning of carvery? Carvery. Carvery.
Carvery. Carvery. A carvery is a restaurant or food service that specializes in serving meats that have been cooked and carved to order. Typically, the meats are displayed on a heated serving counter where customers can choose their preferred cuts. The meat choices often include beef, pork, lamb, and poultry. The word carvery comes from the verb to carve, which means to slice a large piece of meat into smaller portions for serving. As such, a carvery offers diners freshly carved meats that are served hot and usually accompanied by vegetables, gravy, and other sides.